Okay, I'm back. So I did get this Good Molecules Niacinamide serum. It's supposed to refine the signs and texture and improve the appearance of pores. Let's see if I use this long enough, if I'll see the difference. Careful that it doesn't get in your eye. Oh, that stings a little bit. Okay, moving on. A little bit of color corrector, eyebrows, lashes, concealer, done. Alright, color corrector, under the eyes, it's dark, little vegetation right here, around my lips, and I'm not great about the brushes and knowing what goes where, so I just use what I got and what's clean. And I just started color correcting a few months ago, and I feel like it makes a big difference. It makes my look more even, and it helps me look decent without having to do a whole makeup routine all the time. And yeah, my skin doesn't really like to be bothered too much, so I can be putting, I don't always wear a lot of stuff, a lot of makeup, a lot of this skin gurus tips and tricks, because my skin will be like, girl, you're doing too much, you're stressing me out, and then I get breakouts. I don't want that. Okay, so this is just a little color correcting. See, a little more even. All right, now a little concealer. I'm gonna be doing a presentation for work today, and I'm gonna look live. I'm alive, and I need some coffee or green tea, a little bit of caffeine. My nail broke, and I haven't gotten to fix that because I don't want to spend an hour, up to an hour is enough month. But I should probably get it fixed at some point this week. Mama. Alright. I should have started this earlier so that I'm not rushing. Okay. Alright. It's gonna get y'all. Now my eyebrows. If you know, you know. My eyebrows are not at their peak capacity, and my sister, Febby, told me to let them grow out. The only problem with letting them to grow out is she said I can't be afraid of the awkward stage. And I am afraid of the awkward stage. I don't look crazy in between, but right now I just feel like they're looking very sparse, I always say that word. And I don't know, I want to microblade them, but it seems so permanent, and if it doesn't come out right, I'm gonna be sad. You know, I'm gonna be looking confused and crazy out in the world. The world of people. Alright. Eyebrow, done. Face, I think it's done. Now, all the lashes. Whoa. Alright now. Okay, there we go. Lashes. Make the world a better place. Alright. You have to focus, because if you don't focus, it will look crazy. Look at the eyes, that's what you see. Whew. Delirious. Alright. Lashes, done. What's next? Oh, I should do my lashes. I mean, not lashes, my liner. The thing with liner is, liquid liner gives me the bang for my buck, but I have to be really, focused again, as they say, in order for my lashes not to look, my liner not to be crooked. So now I have to change directions and circle out. Done. Voila. Eyebrows. Try not to. See, the thing with the eyebrows too is that it's right. You have to have it, look in a certain way. Because it's right in the middle of your face, Alright. Last but not least, this episode lipstick, new lip stain action. I like the matte look. The only thing is, once you eat, drink, it starts to fade. I think I need to start doing like lip liners, just to make it look a little more, you know. Because now my face looks, I feel like it looks flat. So now I gotta add another lip. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. The lip bar, clutch, very lipsticks. Alright, so let's see. I feel like it looks the same though. Might need to go darker so it has a little boom pow. Okay. One last time. Alright, so I'm back. Got a darker lip bar, Savage. I'm gonna add it, blend it with what I already have, and give it that little dark look that I'm trying to achieve. There we go. And then one more coat of the lashes. A little birthday sample. Boom. Shakalaka. Alright. Now, if I'm going to be going out and about, I would setting spray. I like Morph. I just started trying the Milani setting spray and then the Urban Decay All Nighter Alternate. The other two are not nearby, but usually I would set it, but I'm going to be home for the most part today, and then I'm going to go pick up my child from school. So I think I need to do that. Anywho, thanks. See you later.